Hi, this is Susie Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to how to see hidden story on Snapchat. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You know that feeling when you open Snapchat, scroll through your friends' stories and suddenly you see that someone's story disappear for before you can watch it. It may be your friend posts something fun but it's gone. But wait, in this video I will show you how to see that hidden story. Maybe if you just accidentally hide their story and you don't know how to see, how to unhide. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can go to stories section in here. Now you can tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. You'll find there is an option view hidden stories. So here's all the account, all the stories that you just hide from your Snapchat. If you want to unhide, you can just tap on unhide and you can watch the story after that. It's very simple, right? Here's all the hidden story will be saved when you hide someone's story. If you want to hide someone's story, you can just tap and hold on the story and tap on hide story suggestion. It's very simple, right? So now you can see all stories on Snapchat. So that is how to see, how to view hidden story on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.